Hello and welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in technology. Today, we're talking about the top 5 best Sony cameras of 2023. Sony is a well-known brand in the camera industry, and they continue to produce some of the best cameras on the market. In this video, we'll be showcasing Sony's top-rated cameras that provide incredible image quality, versatile features, and advanced technologies. Number 1. Sony A7s III. Our first pick is the Sony A7s III, which is a full-frame mirrorless camera that is designed for professionals and enthusiasts. The A7s III features a 12.1 megapixel full-frame sensor that delivers incredible low-light performance and high dynamic range. It also has a fast and accurate autofocus system that can track subjects with precision and speed. The Sony A7s III is also capable of recording 4K video at up to 120 frames per second, making it an excellent choice for videographers. It also has a flip-out LCD screen that makes it easy to shoot from different angles and a long-lasting battery that can handle extended shooting sessions. Number 2. Sony A6600. Our second pick is the Sony A6600, which is a versatile APS-C mirrorless camera that is perfect for both photography and videography. The A6600 features a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor that produces high-quality images with excellent detail and color accuracy. It also has a fast autofocus system that can track moving subjects with ease. The Sony A6600 is also capable of recording 4K video at 30 frames per second, making it an excellent choice for content creators. It also has a built-in image stabilization system that helps to produce smooth and stable footage, even when shooting handheld. Number 3. Sony RX 107. Our third pick is the Sony RX 107, which is a compact and portable camera that packs a punch. The RX 107 features a 20.1 megapixel 1-inch sensor that produces high-quality images with excellent detail and color accuracy. It also has a fast autofocus system that can track moving subjects with precision. The Sony RX 107 is also capable of recording 4K video at 30 frames per second, making it an excellent choice for vloggers and content creators. It also has a flip-up LCD screen that makes it easy to shoot from different angles and a built-in electronic viewfinder that provides a clear and detailed view of your subject. Number 4. Sony A9 II. Our fourth pick is the Sony A9 II, which is a full-frame mirrorless camera that is designed for professional sports and action photographers. The A9 II features a 24.2 megapixel full-frame sensor that delivers incredible image quality with excellent detail and color accuracy. It also has a fast and accurate autofocus system that can track moving subjects with speed and precision. The Sony A9 II is also capable of shooting at up to 20 frames per second, making it an excellent choice for capturing fast-moving action. It also has a long-lasting battery that can handle extended shooting sessions and a rugged, weather-sealed body that can withstand tough shooting conditions. Number 5. Sony ZV-E10. Our fifth and final pick is the Sony ZV-E10, which is a mirrorless camera that is designed for vloggers and content creators. The ZV-E10 features a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor that produces high-quality images with excellent detail and color accuracy. It also has a fast autofocus system that can track moving subjects with precision. The Sony ZV-E10 is also capable of recording 4K video at 30 frames per second, making it an excellent choice for vloggers and content creators. It also has a vari-angle LCD screen that can be flipped out to the side, making it easy to frame yourself while vlogging. The ZV-E10 also features Sony's advanced autofocus system, which can track your face and eyes with precision, ensuring that you stay in focus at all times. In addition to its advanced video features, the Sony ZV-E10 also has a range of tools and features that are specifically designed for vloggers and content creators. It has a dedicated button for recording and a built-in microphone that captures high-quality audio. It also has a built-in digital audio interface that allows you to connect an external microphone for even better sound quality. The Sony ZV-E10 also has a number of creative modes and filters that allow you to add your own personal touch to your videos. It has a product showcase mode that automatically focuses on the product you're showing, a background defocus mode that blurs the background for a cinematic look, and a slow and quick motion mode that allows you to create slow motion and time-lapse videos. Sony continues to produce some of the best cameras on the market, and their latest models offer advanced technologies, versatile features, and excellent image quality. Whether you're a professional photographer, videographer, or a vlogger, Sony has a camera that will meet your needs. From the full-frame Sony A7s III to the compact Sony RX 107, there's a Sony camera for every budget and every shooting situation. We hope you found this video informative and helpful in your search for the perfect camera. If you want to buy any product, the Amazon link is the description and comments. Check it out now. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.